able to address the multiple root causes of aging, and that is to address the 9 hallmarks of aging. Each bottle contains 90 capsules, with each capsule providing 500 milligrams of natural nutrition for our cells. Okay, now let's go to the active ingredients. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. What caught my attention precisely is the active ingredients that are inside the Ultima Stem Plus. First and foremost, of course, is the beta NMN, nicotinamide nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN. It's considered the energy booster. NMN increases the NAD. What is NAD? Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. That is considered the body's energy molecule. It's actually a coenzyme, found in all living cells and vital role related to energy metabolism and cellular health. It means it is the most crucial part to energy production within cells, particularly in the so-called mitochondria. Ano ba yung mitochondria? Can you recall? We mentioned that during our previous lecture. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Parang battery. So we need to make sure that our mitochondria inside our cells are always at its optimum level. Kasi nalolobat din yan. Pag nalobat yan, affected yung power ng ating cells. Affected yung functions, yung individual functions of the different cells of the body. So we have to make sure that we are able to sustain what we call the energy potential or energy production within all the cells in the body. So what benefit would we be able to get? More energy and stamina. Kahit patanda ka na, you can do things that a much younger individual can. Better heart and blood sugar health, it slows down the signs of aging. Pahalaga, di ba? Beta-nicotinamide mononucleotide. Beta-NMN. It's considered the longevity molecule that fuels your cells, restores your energy, and reverses your biological age. Which means it can, make your cells much younger, regardless of your chronologic age. Okay? So sabi, it boosts the NAD, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, for cellular energy and DNA repair. So in short, it enhances muscle, metabolic, and cognitive, yung brain function natin, performance, in order to delay the possible onset of dementia or Alzheimer's disease. Huwag na nating i-discuss yung how it works. Kasi medyo very scientific to Sabihin nyo lang, magugulang kayo. So the source is from fermented from organic broccoli and edamame enzymes. Okay? Who is it for? Aging adults, even as young as 28 plus years old, who are experiencing fatigue or metabolic slowdown, individuals with brain fog, pre-diabetes or early aging signs, and athletes and longevity enthusiasts. Tumpa lang, nakikita na natin na it can be taken by individuals who are still young, pero who are already experiencing signs of getting old. Diba? Now, another very important ingredient is resveratrol. It's the anti-aging polyphenol that mimics fasting, protects your heart, and activates your longevity genes na naman. Pampahaba na naman ang buhay. Ang French paradox na tinatawag, research for why the French had low heart disease despite rich diets, scientists discovered resveratrol in red wine. That's the reason why, no, more often than not, maririnig nyo yung mga advices ng mga medical and paramedical professionals. Oh, you drink wine, specifically red wine, because it contains resveratrol. That would also help in trying to prolong your life. It improves circulation and brain health. So it activates these sirtuins. These sirtuins yung mga proteins involved in longevity rin for DNA and metabolic repair. Okay? So who is it for? Adults with cardiovascular, no? Or neurodegenerative risk. Eh, meron depresya sa puso, may depresya sa utak, no? Or high risk. Sometimes the risk is there, you don't experience the actual clinical problem, pero because of strong family history, medyo sag-iingat ka na rin. Biohackers, no? Or low-carb dieters. Pag sinabi natin, ngayon, malimit natin nadidinig. Ano ba yung biohacker? It is someone who experiences, no, their own body and biology to improve their health, performance, and other desired outcomes. So nag-experimento rin sila, no? Trying to find ways to optimize their own body system. Yan yung mga biohackers. Individuals looking to extend their health span and also lifespan. So a combination, which both of these are found in our Ultimate Plus, NMN and resveratrol. These are both anti-aging supplements. So they have that powerful anti-aging power. Resveratrol, antioxidant from Japanese knotweed. It fights inflammation, so anti-inflammatory, protects the heart and brain. Together with NMN, it will boost our energy, protect our cells, and delay the process of aging. Now, more than the NMN and resveratrol, meron pa siyang mga ibang ingredients which are considered super nutrients for longevity. Ano yan? Fisetin, which protects the brain, fights aging, curcumin, no? Nakikita natin sa ating mga turmeric, powerful anti-inflammatory, pterostilbene, stronger, better absorb, resveratrol and brain booster, and astragaloside IV protects the brain, heart, kidneys, and telomere extender. Let's discuss a little about these ingredients. Start with fisetin. Senolytic. When you say senolytic, it is something that will take care of the age or damaged cells and clears your path to regeneration. Okay? So these are zombie cell slayer. No? Kasi yung senolytic, they will take care of what we call senescent cells. Ano ba yung senescent cells? These are damaged cells but are still living. No? Pero since they are damaged, no, wala na silang halaga sa katawan natin. Pero hindi naman sila agad-agad na mamatay. So they are like zombies. No? So they gained notoriety when scientists realized it could selectively eliminate these senescent cells, the zombie cells, that refuse to die, yet at the same time they spread inflammation. So a major aging breakthrough. Any inflammatory reaction that happens inside the body will definitely add to the aging process. So anong purpose niya? It will remove these senescent cells, no, in the process called xenotherapy. It will reduce inflammation and support brain health. How does it work? Well, again, let's not discuss that. Kasi masyadong highfalutin na yan. Who is it for? Adults over 40 seeking deep cellular renewal, individuals with brain aging, chronic inflammation, or oxidative stress. Okay. Everybody keeps on saying, Doc, stress ako. Sino ba hindi? Lahat tayo stress. regardless of our economic status in life, regardless of our profession, regardless of so many other things, financial resources and what. We are stressed. Sabi ko nga, di ba, in my previous talks, ano ba, yung stress, yung bata na nag-aaral na may mga assignments na, may mga quizzes na, they are also stressed. More so with us, adults, no? Na nag-aanap buhay. We need to sustain our families, no? We have to make sure that we are able to address all the necessities that are needed by the family. So stress out tayo. No? So stress is no longer an excuse. But we can do something about stress, more particularly the oxidative stress. Now, fisetin paired with quercetin has a good senolytic therapy effect. Right. Now, another important, aside from fisetin, is liposomal curcumin. Curcumin is the substance that is taken from turmeric. Ako po, diehard turmeric user. For so many years, I've been drinking yun mismong luyang dilaw. Kasi wala naman siyang lasa. I take one big mug, no? So malaki, it's like 1 glass of turmeric every day for so many years na, no? So it's very it's very effective as an anti-inflammatory. It's an anti-inflammatory powerhouse that calms your cells and shields your mitochondria. So it protects your mitochondria. So meaning, no, if you are able to protect our battery, the powerhouse of the cell, chances are hindi tayo malolobat. Huh? In fact, it was only when scientists bound it to phospholipids that its powerful anti-inflammatory effects became bioavailable. It supports neurodefense and mitochondrial protection. It reduces chronic inflammation and joint pain. Ako mahilig kumain ng mani, no? And a lot of string beans. But despite that, because I'm taking curcumin, more so now that I'm taking Ultimastem Plus, wala akong pain. I still go, sabi ko nga sa inyo, so for those who are present in my previous talks, I still go to the gym at my age. I still go to the gym 3 times a week. Okay? I do brisk walking, 30 minutes to 45 minutes every day. Okay? So, hindi naman sa pagbuhat ng bangko, what a much younger individual can do, I can still do it. Okay? So, ano yung this comes from the rhizome, parang root of this turmeric plant native to South Asia. We have a lot of them. No? Yung luyang dilaw. Hindi yung luya. Yung luya kasi maanghang, mahapdi mura. But yung luyang dilaw, no? Walang hapde, walang hindi ano tawag dito? Maanghang, no? Para ka lang umiinom ng tubig, wala siyang lasa. So these are for individuals with inflammatory reaction. Arthritis or joint pain. Sa awa ng Diyos, hindi ako nagkako. Despite the fact that I'm so fond of eating peanuts and a lot of string beans. Those at risk for neurodegeneration. That's also very important. No, it's important to make sure that we are able to address problem of possible dementia. It's an anti-aging and detox. Now, another very nice ingredient is pterostilbene, the anti-inflammatory powers that calms your cells and shields your mitochondria. It's the blueberry advantage. Alam naman natin, when we talk of blueberries, it is very good in trying to improve your brain health as well as provide protection for the cardiovascular system, which means the heart, the brain. It enhances memory and neuroplasticity. Ano ba yung neuroplasticity na tinatawag? No? It is the ability of the brain to form and reorganize connections especially in response to learning or experience. Yan yung tinatawag na lifelong capacity of the brain to change and what? Receive or revive itself in response to stimulation of learning and experience. You know? So napapaganda niya yung connection. No? Hindi na puputol, hindi humihina. Because again, when we talk of neuroplasticity, neurodegenerative problems, no, kailangan yung blood supply to the brain will always be good. Because if the blood supply is good, oxygen delivery will be better. And if oxygen delivery is better, we expect the normal functioning of the brain. It also supports metabolic balance and antioxidant defense. So, who is it for? Adults with brain fog or memory loss, no? Yung nagkakaroon ng, yun nga, even before the onset of dementia, nagkakaroon ka na ng memory loss. Minsan, ano nga ba yung ginawa ko? Ano nga ba yung ganito, ganun, no? It's very, very good. Those managing metabolic syndrome or skin aging and biohackers, again, seeking long-acting polyphenol. Another important ingredient is astragaloside IV, the telomere extender. Yung telomeres, yan yung mga nasa dulo ng ating chromosomes. At siya ang nagde-determine kung gaano kahaba ang magiging buhay ng tao. So, this astragaloside will extend the life of the telomeres. And they are also immune modulators, no? Backed by modern science. So, astragalus root revealed its anti-aging secrets when modern labs isolated astragaloside IV and observed its telomere lengthening effects. So, pag pinahaba niyo yung telomere, mas hahaba yung buhay natin. So, napakahalaga, no? It activates telomerase for cellular lifespan extension. Hahaba yung buhay ng cells natin, hahaba yung buhay ng tissues natin, hahaba yung buhay ng organs natin, hahaba yung ating body system. So, hahaba yung buhay natin. Enhances mitochondrial health and anti-fibrosis response. So, hindi agad-agad magkakaroon ng tinatawag fibrotic plaques or yung paninigas, no? Usually brought about by plaque, no? Yung mga nag-deposit, nanigas na mga cholesterol, no? Triglycerides, no? Na magpapaliit ng mga caliber ng ating mga ugat na dinadaloyan ng dugo. No? So, who is it for? Individuals with lung and liver issues, chronic fatigue, or immune decline. Older adults looking to slow their biological age. Integrative therapy patients. So, kung titingnan natin and kung bobosisiin natin, lahat ng tao, lahat ng klase ng sakit ay pwedeng i-address na ng ating Ultima Stem Plus. No? Now, aside from all those that I have mentioned as active ingredients, meron pa rin tinatawag na plant-based defenders. These are additional components or ingredients in our Ultima Stem Plus. Quercetin, vitamin D, and vitamin E. They are usually found in quercetin in the Japanese pagoda tree. It's considered a powerful antioxidant, heart and blood sugar support. Vitamin D, of course, the sunshine vitamin or just from sunlight, strengthens the bones and our immune system. And vitamin E fights cell damage, supports skin and immune systems. So, ano yung quercetin? It's a flavonoid that removes aged or damaged cells and supports healthy circulation. It's a powerful antihistamine, no? Yung anti-allergy. That's the reason why it reduces allergic reactions and inflammation. And at the same time, it would clear this damaged or aged cells and improves blood flow. No? Who is it for? Regulates histamine levels para hindi tayo lagi nagkakaroon ng allergic reaction and inflammation. And it also supports vascular health and blood flow. Pinagaganda niya yung blood flow natin sa ating katawan. So, it can also be beneficial for those with erectile dysfunction or impotence. Okay? And then vitamin D3, the sunshine vitamin, strengthens your immune system and extends health life. No? So enhances immune response and hormone balance, supports bone health, mood, and inflammation. It's adults with limited sun exposure or autoimmune conditions, people with frequent colds, chronic fatigue, sluggish immune response. Those at risk for osteoporosis or seasonal depression. Vitamin D3, aging, individuals needing immune reinforcement. In fact, may mga vitamin D3. Pero siya kalakip na dun sa ating Ultima Stem Plus. And of course, vitamin E. Alam naman natin, no? Lagi yung tinasabi, pag may edad ka na, kailangan umiinom ka ng vitamin E. Because it neutralizes free radicals, no? Protecting your brain and skin from oxidation. Supports cognitive clarity, again, to prevent you from the dilemma brought about by dementia and skin regeneration. So, exposed to stress, pollution, people with dry skin, dull complexion, skin aging, memory lapses, anyone needing cellular level antioxidant defense. And of course, vitamin B17, no? Amygdalin, laetrile, no? This is the anti-cancer vitamin that is found to be a very effective ingredient in our Ultima Stem Plus. Found in seeds like raw almonds and apricot kernels, used by long-living cancer-free Hunza tribe in Pakistan. Kaya siya naging sikat because of its anti-carcinogenic effect. Okay, can also be seen in aronia berries, is considered the queen of berries. So, yung ating Ultima Stem Plus, together with the different ingredients, no, and the supplements that we have, no, specifically berberine, no, is a smart combination because what we have is something that will activate, no, our stem cells, thereby repairing old and damaged stem cells and subsequently renew our body system. So, yung supplements na yan, sinasabi, NMN, curcumin, fisetin, resveratrol, quercetin, lahat yan, no, nakikita natin sa ating produkto. So, why this matters? You're not just treating the symptoms. So, hindi tinatawag yan na symptomatic relief, but we're trying to address the cause of aging. No? Kaya importante to take note, ano ba yung 9 hallmarks of aging? Because we are trying to address all these 9 hallmarks of aging through our product, Ultima Stem Plus. So this means fewer diseases, better energy, healthier, longer life, faster recovery, and stronger body. So nakikita natin yan. Not just stem cell activation. No, makikita natin yung combination with the corresponding major health benefit. No? Boost stem cell regeneration. No, makikita natin lahat yan. That's the very reason why I want you to have a good grasp of our product, Ultima Stem Plus. Okay? So, ending my short talk, live life in full bloom with Ultima Stem Plus. It will support our stem cells, will target the 9 causes of aging. It's a powerful natural ingredient. And at the same time, fight cancer naturally. So stay vibrant, strong, and full of life by taking your Ultima Stem Plus. That ends up my short talk. So let's now open our
question
and answer portion. Okay?
And first of all, let's all give a round of virtual clap and high five for Dr. Vyra. So, thank you, Doc, for explaining further and very detailed yung ating Ultimate Stem Plus. Now, guys, can we hear something from you guys? Kung may mga question po kayo regarding sa ating Ultimate Stem Plus, you can type in our chat box po para pwede tayong pwede po ba silang mag-unmute na lang to us or one by one via chat. Yan.
Sure. Go ahead.
Okay.
Can we take more than one capsule a day? Okay. Ano ba ito? Miss Rosano? Mr. Rosano? Okay. Okay, as I keep on saying, basta supplements, no? Personally, I always advise megadosing. You can take even 2 capsules per take, no? 2 or even 3 times a day, which means kahit 4, kahit 6. I usually take my dose is 4 capsules a day, 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening. You don't need to get worried. Pagka supplements, it's better to take them in mega doses. Mas marami, mas maganda, so that the effect would be even be better than just an supplement. We don't subscribe to the minimum of 1 capsule once daily. Kasi baka mamaya dumating yung photo, sabihin naman nyo, Dok, bakit parang wala yatang epekto sa akin? You double the dose, you triple the dose, that will not harm you. Because remember, what you're taking is a natural, organic supplement. Huwag nyo naisipin na, mahal, ganon. Because what is important is the benefit that we get out of the product. Kasi naman take tayo ng take, tapos wala naman tayong na-appreciate na kakaiba. Diba? So, dapat mega dosing. So you don't need to take only 1 capsule a day. 2, 3, or even 4 capsules a day will just be fine.
Doc, meron daw bang specific time to take the Ultima? Anong oras na po yung
actually, some would say it's better in the morning. But what I do is morning dose, meron dang evening dose pa. So I take 2 in the morning, either 30 minutes before or more than 1 hour after breakfast. Okay? And then in the evening, you can take it about 30 minutes before dinner or about an hour after dinner.
30 minutes before or 1 hour after.
So, and then talk to your bodies. Ano ibig sabihin, talking to your bodies? Try to feel. Ano ba yung mararamdaman mo when you take them? Di ka ba nakakatulog? Masyado ka ba high energy? Then you adjust the taking. So walang hard and fast rule on when to take the supplement. Okay. Normally, siyempre maganda sa umaga. But it doesn't mean that hindi ka pwede mag-take sa gabi. You can still. Now, if you feel like, Dok, parang di ako makatulog pa, masyado akong energetic kahit sa gabi, o de, adjust. You can take yung morning dose as is, and then perhaps late afternoon you take another 2 capsules. So adjust lang yan. Because every individual would have different body reactions. Always think about that. Hindi pare-pareho ang reaction ng tao sa kahit na anumang iniinom. So it's better that
Doc,
kausapin mo yung katawan mo.
Meron din pong tinatawag na healing crisis, Doc, no?
Oh yes, of course, no? Yung healing crisis, although it's a misnomer, pero yun nag-a-adjust pa yung katawan mo. So sometimes in the beginning, you might feel some negative vibes. Bakit ganito yun? Nandun, parang lalong bumigat yung katawan ko, para akong lalagnatin, because your body is still adjusting. So after, just continue, huwag kayong matakot. No? After a few days, mawawala na yung tinatawag na healing crisis because your body has already adapted to the effect of the supplement. So, ganun lang yun. Pero not everybody undergoes that. Bihirang-bihira yung natawag na healing crisis. Ako, sa awa ng Diyos, knock on wood, wala akong supplement na nag-develop, naka-experience ako
Ito,
in a crisis. I always
Ba yan?
Hindi
I,
yun pwede
I can
1 hour dapat.
feel the effect
Like
no,
ito, sabi
in a short period of time. So natutuwa ako, tinutuloy-tuloy ko lang. Let's end this. How about those cancer that
Sige,
metastasize
o sige,
different
multi.
organs of the body, stage 4 na sa
Question
third
ni
chance of
Edna.
buka?
Pwede
Wow.
ko sabay-sabay.
Again. Doctors will never guarantee any treatment, especially if it's the late stage of cancer.
Oh,
That's also the reason why I always hindi natin pwedeng asahan yung pakiramdam natin. The best thing to do is to always have your regular diagnostic procedures done kahit wala kayong nararamdaman. Because there are times na kahit wala kayong nararamdaman, meron pa rin nagsisimula ng problema. And especially in cancer, the earlier it is detected, the better the outcome. Just like when you detect an early form of cancer, o stage 1 pa lang yan, you can almost guarantee a complete turnaround. Gagaling ka. Pero if you wait for the symptoms to come, unfortunately, when some symptoms come or appear, eto na, worse kumalat na pala. So again, let me tell you this. No? There's no harm in taking our supplement. Ultimate Stem Plus, do it in mega doses, do it in 6 to 10 capsules a day, and then find out. But let it be understood. I'm not saying that when you take that big amount, makukure na kayo. Depende pa rin sa reaction ng inyong katawan. Generally speaking, no, when you get into the stage 4, may mga metastatic lesions, may mga kumalat na mga cancer cells all over the body. Medyo mahihirapan na tayo, to be honest about it. But just the same, there's no harm in trying to take it. Who knows? Baka mamaya gumaling pa rin kayo. How does Ultima Stem? Ano yan? Wait, ha?
How does Ultimate Science target the 9 hallmarks?
Target the 9 hallmarks. Ayun na nga.
Simultaneously.
Simultaneously. Why? Because we discussed the different active ingredients, no? Ng Ultima Stem Cell, di ba? Yung NMN, resveratrol, terostilbin, curcumin, quercetin, vitamin D, E, no? Lahat yun magtutulungan. That's the reason why, di ba, sinabi ko doon, who is it for? May mga stated types of individuals na kapag nandudon kayo, this particular ingredient in Ultima Stem Plus will definitely help you. So simultaneously, naturally, it will help you a lot. No? So, hindi naman natin pwedeng sabihin, ay, ito lang yung problema ko eh. No? Ang kinagandahan ng ating supplement is that lahat, sabi mo kanina, lahat ng klase ng problema magagawa niya. No? Matutulungan niya para ma-resolve yung problema. I'm not saying na, I'm not even guaranteeing because I'm not in a position to do that. I'm not foolish and crazy to do that. And nobody should be able to do that. What we're trying to say is that we should try and find out. Now, how long will the effect be? Again, it is something that we cannot predict. There are people who would experience the health benefits in a very short period of time. On the other hand, there will be patients or people who will experience the benefits in a much longer period of time. The point is, you just take them continuously. Hindi naman yan parang antibiotic or you take it 7 days. Dok, walang nangyari. Ano ba yan? You don't do that. You have to take. Remember, when we talk of supplements, generally, it has a slower effect than the synthetic medicines that we take. One of the best thing about natural organic supplements is that we don't need to consider any significant side effects even when we take them for a long period of time. Hindi katulad ng synthetic medicines. Hindi yun aaminin ng pharmaceutical industry because magiging kasiraan nila. But definitely, CKD, chronic kidney disease, heart failure, kidney failure are usually the effects of long-term use of the synthetic medicines. Hindi nila aminin yun. Kasiraan nila yan. Babagsak yung kanila negosyo. Okay? So, yun ang dapat nating isipin. Okay?
Yes,
ma'am.
please, Doc Byro. We have Don De Leon from Dubai. He's raising his hand po.
Yeah.
Sir Don De Leon, go ahead po.
Yes. Hi, doctor. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine. How are
Yes,
you?
sir, can you open your campo so that Dr. Byro can see you po? Thank you.
Sure.
Okay, go ahead.
I totally agree with you on the using of static medicine, which has a lot of side effects.
Yes.
And it just actually has the opposite effect rather than it just kills the symptom. It doesn't solve the problem.
Right.
Now, when I was doing a research on stem cells, I read that plant-based or any animal stem cells do not actually work on human stem cells. But the lifestyle changes makes a lot of difference, especially when it comes to resistance training, especially exercises, increasing of vitamin D during the daytime, and the lifestyle changes means eating the right food,
Yes.
avoiding ultra processed food. Those are the types of things that can actually stop the aging process or slows down actually the aging process. It will
Yes.
not prolong it, but it will slow it down.
Right.
But, the research does not say that the stem cells of plant-based or any other kind of stem cells will actually stop that. Can you elaborate on that? Maybe I'm wrong.
Okay. Let me say this, no, with all honesty. The human stem cells, specifically the umbilical cord derived mesenchymal stem cells, are now being seen as the best source of live stem cells. That is the intravenous route. You give it through the IV because it is always stated that generally speaking, no, stem cells, if stem cells per se, should be given live in order to maximize or optimize its health benefits. Now, that's the very reason why I am emphasizing that our Ultima Stem Plus is a stem cell activator. Okay, so it will activate our own stem cells. Okay, because we have our own stem cells. The only problem with our own stem cells is they may be weak, they may be old, they may not be functioning properly. So what we need is something that will activate it, something that will energize it, so that we're able to maximize it. Because no oral preparation, whether it be plant-based, animal-based, fruit-based, can substitute for the human live stem cells.
Okay,
That's the very reason why it's very important to differentiate the stem cells from stem cell activators. Okay? So ours is, just like what you said earlier, of course, holistic approach, lifestyle changes, proper nutrition, okay, physical activities, no, proper sleeping habits. These are all important issues. So we just don't rely on the supplements itself. That should also be taken into consideration, no, including all the different lifestyle changes that should take place. That's the very reason why a lot of patients are very difficult to treat, because they simply rely on the medicines they take. For example, diabetics, no, they would take their medicine, so many medicines sometimes, combination of different medicines, but they don't take good care of what they eat. No, they eat a lot of carbohydrates. They eat a lot of sweets. So what happens? Nothing happens good. No, so it has to be taken as a whole. That's the reason why we always advise holistic approach. The only
I think,
reason why
Doctor-
I did mention that is because on my previous talks I have been keeping I have been saying that it's important to make sure that we practice holistic approach. Proper
I think,
nutrition,
Doctor, it's
lifestyle.
mainly because people do not understand the mechanism of their body. For example, if they think that just insulin will do the job, but insulin cannot do the job if it's if you
Exactly.
keep on taking
Exactly.
high carbohydrate, high amount of sugar.
Exactly.
Which usually
Exactly. It
that's
cannot.
why the lifestyle changes is required.
Exactly. That's the reason why we're trying to inculcate, to the minds of all our clients and patients and all our audience that it's a combination of these different forms of approaches that will determine the impact that we want to happen. So that is very, very important.
But absolutely, your products are genuinely help the overall health of the people. It will definitely help a lot. Yeah.
Yes, thank you. And I myself, I was awed by the combination of all these products. This is the first. I've been into multi-level marketing since 2007, and I have not seen a single product that has all these important ingredients in one capsule. That's why I was really amazed. That's why I give my hats off to Dr. Sheila Tiro for coming out with this combination. It's not easy to come out with a combination such as this. In fact, some of the ingredients are a little bit foreign to me in the beginning when I saw it. Oh, what's this? So I had to review, find out what these other ingredients are. And to come out with a combination such as this is simply amazing. That's what I can say.
Very true. Thank you, Doctor. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir.
For bringing up that question. Another question, Doc, we have here is, may contraindications daw po ba ito sa chemotherapy?
Wala. Okay. Let me be just as civil, as respectful as possible. We never defy. Well, I'm talking from my own, from my own volition, from my own concept. I never defy the advice or suggestion of the oncologists. Pag sinabi nila, if they say, okay, the patient should undergo chemotherapy, so be it. Kasi that's the conventional way of treating cancer patients. But what I usually say is that you incorporate, isama nyo yung mga ingredients because that will tilt the tide towards a possible earlier recovery, a stronger immune system that will fight off the unwanted side effects. Like for example, nanghihina. Because remember, as I always keep on saying, any chemotherapeutic agent for that matter, targeting any malignancy, cannot distinguish the normal cells from the cancer cells. So pag tinamaan nila, if it goes through the blood, anything that will be in front of this chemotherapeutic, they will kill them. So if it happens that during the time that the chemotherapeutic agent is going through the blood, maraming pahara-hara, there's so many of these normal cells, papatayin nila. So that's the reason why a lot of these patients feel fatigued. Doc, I'm exhausted. Doc, why is it that I'm getting bald? Why is it that I cannot eat? I don't have the appetite. That's the effect of trying to not only kill the cancer cells, but also killing the normal cells. And that's also the reason why we're complementing, hopefully to counteract the impact of these side effects from chemotherapy. Now, there are patients naman who feel because, any bad news will always prevail. So they hear it from their neighbors, their relatives. Oh, I get this problem. So they don't want to do chemotherapy. So we're gonna do anything anymore. That's the decision of the patient. So let it be. We'll bombard the patient with a lot of these supplements, hoping that it can turn the tide towards recovery. But nobody in his normal behavior can guarantee the effect of all our supplements. Kaya nga, di ba, nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa. If we do our part, God will definitely help us. But of course, it will depend on how severe the problem is, especially when we talk of cancer. No, it could be talagang pwedeng mamatay na yung pasyente kung hindi maagapan. Kaya nga nakakainis, what irritates me is that if I hear patients telling me, Doc, I don't want to find out what I am suffering from. No? That's being very crazy. How can you solve a problem? How can you solve the medical condition of the patient if you don't know what's happening inside his body? Diba? So it's very important to find out what is happening inside your body so that we can address the problem and find out if we can still provide the necessary solutions to the problem, medical condition. Okay. Can we categorize USP as functional food or just plain supplement? Meron po ba itong, wala nga tayong contraindications sa chemotherapy. No? You can. Now, ginagamit na ngayon, hindi na yung IV, there are oral chemotherapeutic agents, iniinom na. No? If ayokong magkaroon ng conflict with the oncologist, with the cancer specialist. So if they feel that the patient would need it, so be it. Okay? Unless the patient doesn't really want it. Now, if the patient will oblige to the advice of the oncologist, they take the oral, for example, the oral chemotherapeutic agent, then you can also take our USP. Not simultaneously, but there should be a gap of more than 2 hours. Because the oral chemotherapeutic agent are toxic to the body. So we want to optimize the effect of our USP, Ultima Stem Plus. So it should be taken mga 2 or 3 hours after taking the oral chemotherapeutic agent. Okay?
Doc, how about yung mga nagda-dialysis daw po?
Well, again, okay, ang take ko dyan, those people or patients undergoing dialysis, this should not be a permanent thing. No? For as long as we're able to monitor the kidney function, BUN, creatinine, and EGFR, estimated glomerular filtration rate, and they keep on improving, then by all means, we can stop the dialysis for that matter, no? And then again, reinforce the body with Ultima Stem Plus. Well, there's no single disease entity na hindi pwedeng gamitan ng USP. Meaning, all of them we can use. Kasi nga, because of the incredible active ingredients in USP, then by all means, do it. In fact, magre-retract lang ako ng konti. In my previous talks, I always keep on saying, the supplements would work best in preventing diseases or preventing the severity of these diseases. But when the diseases are already in its severe form, then we don't know what will happen. But still, I would insist that you continue taking the supplement. No? There's no harm in taking them. Who knows? Miracles happen. So even in the most severe form of medical disease or condition, God may help us. And with the help of our product, especially USP, who knows? We can survive the severity of this of any of these medical conditions. Okay, so it's really a functional food. You can consider it a functional food. I don't consider it just a plain supplement. It's a superfood. It's a functional food. Pwede ba siyang i-take na nagdadaya? Yes, of course. Of course. Remember, any patient on dialysis should be closely monitored for their kidney function test. And that is their creatinine and EGFR, estimated glomerular filtration rate. Again, we are not in conflict with nephrologists, the kidney specialist. The only thing that, just like the oncologist, the conventional way of treating patients, okay, dialysis. That's the reason why napakaraming dialysis clinics na. Noon walang dialysis clinics. Lahat nasa hospital yon. But because of the money-making thing in dialysis, yung iba, clinic, may dialysis unit na. Kasi ang daming dinadialysis. It only shows that CKD, chronic kidney disease, stage 1 to 4, no, is going up. Of course, hindi natin po a big chunk of these CKD patients, epekto, a major side effect of prolonged use of synthetic medicines. And the pharmaceutical industry will never admit that. No? Ma-apekto yung kanilang negosyo. No? So they will never admit that. But from reliable sources, no, we are able to identify that the long-term use of any of these synthetic medicines can always result to chronic kidney disease. Okay? So, pwede. Walang contraindication yung ating supplement. Ma'am, Anna, I think don't...
One more question, Doc.
Okay,
Sabi
go
ng
ahead.
Ultimate Plus, will I stop some of my meds for diabetes like insulin injection?
Okay, ganito yon, no? I will always advise, in the beginning, you take all of them. Meaning, kung nag-insulin ka, meron ka pang oral hypoglycemics, and then you take our supplements. And then try to monitor your blood sugar level. Titingnan nyo. If it's going down, unti-unti nyo nang babawasan or tatanggalin yung insulin. When do you do that? It's a hit and miss thing. We cannot state a standard na okay, if you, basta what is important is that your blood sugar level ultimately goes down until it reaches or almost normal levels and stays there for a long time. Hindi naman porke, today, gumanda na. Ay, stop na ako. Bukas na lang, biglang aakyat. Because the fluctuations, meaning the changes that can take place in blood sugar level, no, hindi natin makikita yung pattern. Again, it goes back to holistic approach. You have to be very careful the types of food that you eat. Hindi pa pwede, Dok, uminom naman ako ng gamot nag-i-insulin na ako hindi ko kayang pigilan yung mga matatamis na ang kanin ko isang bandehado kung kumain ako. Hindi pa pwede. You cannot. It boils down to discipline.
Plug in mo.
You need to realize the impact of what you eat. Sabi nga, di ba? There's a saying, you are what you eat. Tingnan mo lang yung tao from afar. Ngayon, obesity is a big thing.
Pwede ba yun?
Nung nasa States ako, grabe. Naganda nga nung ibang Amerikana, pagkalalaki naman. Parang doble lang ang katawan ko. Di ba? Why? Because of the types of food that they eat. So again, it boils down to lifestyle. Lifestyle changes is very important. And that should be part and parcel of the whole gamut of treatment. Meaning, yun lahat ng pwede mong i-consider. We don't just rely on one thing. We just don't rely on supplements. We just don't rely on synthetic medicine, maintenance medicine. No, it's a whole gamut. It's a whole spectrum of lifestyle changes. Hindi pa pwedeng isa lang. Discipline is number one. No, if you're able to discipline, if you try to understand what is bringing your blood sugar up, what is bringing your blood pressure up, then try to avoid them. Diba? Try to minimize, if not totally avoid them. And things will be all right.
Exactly. Tama po. And there's no such thing, Doc, as overnight, di ba?
Yes.
You need to
Walang
be
magic.
consistent.
Yeah, malimit ko sinasabi sa pasyente. Iho, iha, ate, kuya, manang, manong, hindi ako magikero. Ako ay doktor. So you don't expect magic na instantly, oy, gagaling ka na. Pag ho nangyari yun, magic ho yun, hindi ho ako yun. Siguro ho magikero yung dapat yung sundan. No, it is something that would be gradual. It is something that may appear to be a little bit longer than usual, but we cannot do anything because it will still depend on how your body reacts as a whole. Iba-iba tayo, kahit kapatid mo, nanay mo, tatay mo, kapatid mo, iba-iba pa rin. Because iba-iba ang body reaction natin. Pero what I can say is that keep on trying, be patient enough, no? Wala namang always think na hindi yan instant, no? Hindi yan instant noodle, hindi yan anything instant is not good. Okay? So just keep on trying. Don't give up right away, no? If it takes a few months, then let it be. Good for you if you're able to recover fast and may impact agad. But normally it will take time. Always think that it may take a while because if it does happen, everything seems to, you can feel the changes in a short period. You're very lucky. You're very lucky to say so.
Megadose ka.
No? But usually it takes time. So, konting tiyaga. Pag may tiyaga, may nilaga.
That's right, Doc Byra. Doc Byra, we have a question po ulit from
Okay, go ahead.
Sir Don Delen. Real quick, thank you.
Okay, go ahead, Mr. Don.
Doctor, what is your opinion on autophagy, especially fasting for a longer period? Because that's not proven.
Okay, there is what we call the programmed cell death. Okay, so the essence of the programmed cell death is we're trying to kill or eliminate the damaged cells. Okay, so of course these are useless in our bodies. So the moment they undergo autophagy, that will be better because the moment they're replaced by new younger cells, and that's the essence of our Ultima stem cell. It activates newer, younger cells to replace the older, damaged cells. So, kaya that's the reason why it's programmed cell death. Yeah, okay, go ahead.
Because I understand for our body, in order to create new stem cells, you need to give it time. And when we constantly eat, we do not give time to our body to produce new stem cells. So that's what I understand from the studies and research that I've done, that autophagy actually gives your body that time that is required for it to produce. And that has been back in thousands of years before. Muscles are used to be built because people used to go through days without eating because they were hunting for food.
Yeah, it could be, but our lifestyle, our the exposure that we get on our daily lives may not compensate for a longer fasting period. No chances, especially for people who are diabetics, because what we're trying to avoid is hypoglycemia, a very low level of blood sugar. which might work in, which might result in bigger, more severe problems. No, nauntog ka, wala ka na, you lost consciousness, and then you hit your head on the hard floor, whatever. You develop some blood clot, so it's double whammy. So it's very difficult. But if it can be done, then perhaps you can, once in a while, you can get into fasting. Try to find out, talk to your body, as I always keep on saying. Find out what your reactions would be, in a particular period where you go on fasting. Of course, you have to keep in mind your overall health status. So if it will allow a relatively longer fasting, then fine, if you can do it. And then experiment, try to find out. But for diabetics, I would not advise a longer fasting period. The normal 8 to 10 hours of fasting would be good enough. Now, in place of fasting, what can be done that would also help is, of course, detoxification.
Exactly.
Well, I mentioned that in my previous talks. Detoxification is very, very important. If we are trying to eliminate those toxins, especially the heavy metal toxins that the conventional medicine is not aware of. I don't know why. No, heavy metals like lead, mercury, cadmium, arsenic, those that are taken from cell phones, from frequencies, from all of it, from lead substances, even toys, with all due respect to China, but they were found to have lead, significant amount of lead, mercury that has been found in some fish, because the dumping of mercury in the water, and then the fish would take it, and then even if you cook the fish, the mercury stays. That's the reason why it's a no-no already for more than 10 years. That we don't use the sphygmomanometer before that the mercury goes up. The thermometer that we use for oil temperature that has some mercury on the tip is no longer used. So all of these things, these are considered as heavy metals. The only way that you can get rid of them is through EDTA chelation. So the EDTA would combine or will bind with these heavy metal toxins, and then bring them to the kidneys, and from the kidneys it will be eliminated from the body through the urine. So the first thing that should be monitored is, of course, the kidney function test. So for as long as your kidney function test, the creatinine and the EGFR are normal, then so be it. So probably it could be a good substitute for fasting. But of course, by all means, if some people are comfortable taking on and off fasting years, then that's fine, of course, because that will perhaps hasten the autophagy thing that we want to happen inside our bodies. Sure.
Thank you, Doctor. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Don, for bringing up that question.
By the way, Mr. Don Leon is inviting us to go to Dubai to
Please. Please do that.
That's one country that I haven't
We're
been
looking forward
to. I've
to
been
that.
almost all the Southeast Asian countries, even Japan. I've been 2 years ago, and then of course the US, but to Dubai. I have heard so much about Dubai.
Yeah, you
so
must come.
we'll just be waiting for your invitation.
You don't need an
Mr. Don.
invitation. Anytime, just pick up a ticket and come here.
Okay.
Leave
Thanks
the
a lot.
rest.
Thanks a lot.
Started to expand in Dubai, and
We'll conduct a how do you call it?
caravan.
A caravan, right, in Dubai.
You should
I am taking
you should go for desert driving.
We'll stop. Yun nga, sabi natin kanina, no, you don't. The parameters that you need to find out, whether you need to stop or gradually lessen the intake of your insulin or other meds for diabetes will always be your blood sugar level. Okay, so you have to monitor, then find out, because it depends. If your blood sugar level hovers, no, in the vicinity of normal levels, then you can experiment gradually. No, that's the key word. Gradually lessen the intake of your perhaps insulin or any other anti-diabetic medicine. Unti-unti, no? Because your body needs to adjust. 3 days fasting can regenerate 100% immune system according to research. Yeah, fine. That's the reason why I'm saying, so kaya lang. Okay. Tingnan natin. That's the reason why I'm saying, you need to talk to your body. Try to feel your body. Kaya ba o hindi? Kung kaya, fine. If it can, why not? It's good, no? Because you cannot say that it's good for everyone. It will depend on, your individual body reaction. Okay?
Exactly.
Intermittent fasting is not advisable to those especially, of course. Kasi nga, yun ang sinasabi natin. No, when you go on fasting, no, those patients who are diabetics are not advised to do so. Why? Because they might get into hypoglycemia, a much lower level of blood sugar. And the moment that blood sugar gets so low, no, you can pass out. Now, because remember, the brain is sensitive to two things, oxygen and sugar. So for as long as your sugar is maintained in a relatively, sige lang natin, almost normal level, then that's fine. But if it goes down so low, hindi pwede. That's also the very reason why I advise patients who are diabetics, who are taking medicines or even insulin or whatever supplement, they should always carry some sweet candies or things, so that if and when they are not able to eat for whatever reason, like for 6 hours or 8 hours, no, kala mo nag-fasting, they feel lightheadedness, they feel some sort of dizziness, then that's a sign of hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemic shock is very dangerous because you cannot control. You might lose your consciousness. You might bang your head on a hard floor or whatever. You develop clot, double whammy. So we don't advise that. Okay, so okay.
Thank you, Don,
Who else?
for answering all those questions. So, guys,
Sure.
if there are no more
Anytime.
questions, we would like to ask for a virtual clap and a high five for Doc Vyra. Thank you for briefly and detailed explanation of Ultima Stem Plus and for answering all the questions of our participants for tonight. So, guys,
Sure.
any more questions? We will
Mo,
end.
48 na tayo, di ba?
Kanina
The
po
more,
na 51,
the
Doc.
merrier. Oo nga eh. Gusto ko yan, more or less nasa 50s and all. No, because for as long as I am able to help, or for as long as I am able to give advice and suggestions to more clients, more patients, then I feel good about it. So,
And guys,
Mas
we
maganda
can
mas
invite Doc Vyra sa inyong mga
Sure.
community. We can have a wellness caravan in different
Yes.
locations like we did in Batangas, in
I'll be in
Laguna.
Santa Rosa, no?
Santa Rosa.
On the 18th, no? Tama? Yeah.
Yes, Doc. So if you are planning to have a wellness caravan sa inyong lugar, we can conduct live blood analysis with Doc Vyra. So once again, guys, we would like to end this session in behalf of the management team and to all who participated. Our hub leaders from Batangas, Tarlac, Pampanga, Bataan, North Luzon, thank you so much for joining. And Sir Don De Leon from Dubai, thank you so much for joining us
Thank you so
tonight.
much, sir.
Opo, thank you for taking
My
your
pleasure,
time.
my pleasure.
See you again in our
And I'm
next.
looking forward to see you in Dubai.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
looking forward to see you as well.
So schedule one.
Sure.
Yes, thank you so much.
Alan should also come with you.
Wow.
Yeah, sure.
You're invited.
Take care.
Okay,
Thank
guys,
you.
thank you so much for joining us tonight. See you again tomorrow for another live session here at Zoom. I'm Hannah once again on behalf of the management team. God bless everyone and good evening. Good night.
Thank you. Good night. Bye-bye.
See you again.
Recording stopped.
See you again.
Nandiyan na ang kahilingan. Yun sa panahon namin na anak ako.
Bakit, Teresita? Ano bang nangyayari? Iba yung inauna. Diyos na lamang mabigyan sa akin ng lahat.
Charlie. Charlie. Cut your bell, baby. Cut your bell. Night, baby. Night, small boy. You have to blanket.
Hirap-hirap yung sabihin sa akin.